Hey guys, it's Koliso M with another video. So in today's How To Wednesday, I'll be showing you how I bleached the knots, how I plucked the frontal, and also how I installed the wig. I didn't really show you how I constructed the wig because this video is already long, and I also have videos that show you how I make wigs, so do check out those videos. However, if you are interested in knowing how I specifically make a frontal wig, do let me know on the comment section below, then I'll try to make it for you. So to bleach my knots, I used the Cure bleach powder. I used 3 spoons. I used the McFlurry spoon. Yeah, so I used 3 spoons and I poured just a little bit of the color developer. The trick is you shouldn't make your mixture too watery or too thick, because if it's too thick it won't really develop color, and if it's too watery it will leak through the lace. And then mix it for like 30 seconds. Don't mix it for too long, because if you mix it for too long it will get watery. I don't know why it does that. So yeah, and then after that I just apply the mixture onto the lace. I don't use too much pressure, because if you use too much pressure it will leak through the lace. So I just apply it lightly. I usually start at the top part of the lace, because that's where we actually see the black knots when you are wearing the wig. So yeah, that's where I start, and then later on I apply it at the bottom lower part of the lace. And also make sure that you don't have any hair on the lace, because it will get the bleach and your hair will have like those blonde strands, and you don't want that. And this process you can do before taking it to the salon or wherever you make your wigs, because they do charge for this process. So you can actually save your coins and do it yourself. The cure is, it's like 70-80, somewhere there. You can get it from Clicks. So after bleaching the lace, I just turn the lace around and put it against the foil just to speed up the reaction. And I left this one for 20 minutes, but usually you can leave it for 30 minutes. If you are afraid that the bleach will leak, you can divide the 30 minutes into 15 minutes, 15 minutes. I kind of like pre-bleached it like for 10 minutes, and then this is like a repeat, hence I'm doing it for 20 minutes. For washing off the bleach powder, I used 2 shampoos. I used the Tresemme Color Revitalize, and I also used the Purple shampoo. Even for the conditioner, I used the Color Revitalize from Tresemme conditioner, and I also used a Purple shampoo. And I got both of these products from Clicks. The reason why I use two is because I like how the purple shampoo just pops out the color on the lace. So after bleaching the frontal knots, I then constructed the wig, and now I'm plucking the frontal. I used to be afraid to pluck the frontal, guys, because when you pluck a frontal, you either do it too much or too little, but you can never learn without trying. So I had to start plucking my frontal. And when you pluck, you want to pick like the hair, like you are removing it from the lace. You are not breaking the hair. I used to make the mistake of breaking the hair instead of removing it from the lace. So it's more like you are removing the whole strand from the lace, so that you can have like the lace looking a little bit natural. So what I do is I pluck behind the actual hairline, so that if I make a mistake, I can be able to cover it with the hair that is remaining in front, which is like the hairline for me. And you shouldn't stick to one position for too long, because that's when you actually pluck too much. So you must move around the lace. I can say I'm still learning, because I don't wear too much frontals, and I don't work with them a lot. But then from now onwards, I'm gonna start working with them more, because I want to make frontals that don't require glue, because wearing a glue all the time is so annoying. Because when you remove the frontal, you must wash it, and the process is just annoying. Hence, I hate frontals. If you want to learn how to pluck, guys, you must practice it. Don't be afraid to ruin your lace. It's yours. So if you ruin it, you'll just wear it, because it's your money and it's yours. It's not like you'll have to give it to someone after that. So yeah, just keep on practicing, guys. I also just practice these things. I don't know how to do them. I didn't go to school for them. I just practice. Nothing beats practice. I've seen that with makeup. I can't really apply makeup, so lately I've been practicing how to apply makeup on my face, especially eyeshadows, guys. Your eyeshadows, they're the hardest thing ever. But then I've been practicing and I'm seeing change. So yeah, all I can say is practice. Then after plucking, I installed the wig. What I can tell you with installation is that you shouldn't try to apply the glue or the gel, whatever that you use, all over the stocking. Just apply it section by section. It's better when you start in the middle part and then go to your sides. In that way, you can actually control the lace better. And also, I'm planning to do a video comparing when I use Got2b glue and a gel. I have this L'Oreal gel, and I would like to compare it with you guys, because I honestly think glues work better than gels, guys. Like, don't let anyone lie to you. Glues work better than gels, especially if you are starting. You are going to get annoyed of the fact that your gel does not want to stick. So it's better if you use them both, especially if you are starting, guys. Use the gel and the glue both until you are perfect and you can start using the gel alone. And also, it depends on how the wig was done. People do frontals differently. There are frontals that you can just wear and apply your gel and go, and they will look absolutely fine. And there are frontals that you can just wear without using a glue. So yeah, I think it's in the way the frontals are made. And you should, if you are like, you take your frontal to someone to do it, you must request them to do it the way you want it, because someone will do it the way they know how to do it and you don't really like it. So it's better if you communicate with whoever that does your wig. So this is how my frontal looks, guys. I think my left side had a little glue on the stocking, because my stocking on the left side doesn't really look melted, unlike the right side. But I will do a get ready with me, using this frontal again, just to see what other hairstyles I can do with this frontal, because I didn't really do those dramatic baby hairs, because I don't really think they suit me. Maybe I can try doing them. And I also used a mousse to make my frontal flat in front. So yeah, I'll be working with this frontal in another video, so make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss out on my learning experience, tricks and tips on frontals. So I wore some lashes and I applied a little bit of eyeshadow just to complete the look. My my eyelashes were a bit higher. It was my first time installing them. So yeah, I'll keep on trying and learning how to do this makeup thingy. And thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you in the next video.